Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the AI PDF ChatGPT plugin that you can use to interact with PDFs of any size, and you can also get page references for fact-checking in those PDF documents. Alright, so before I will show you how to use the AI PDF ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this plugin where I talk about some of the use cases of the plugin, and I also share some of the plugin prompts you can use the AI PDF ChatGPT plugin with. So if you're interested in more details about this plugin, make sure to check out the tutorial that I have linked in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. Alright, so before you would be able to use the AI PDF ChatGPT plugin, you have to enable the plugin in your ChatGPT account. And to be able to enable the plugin, the AI PDF ChatGPT plugin, you have to enable the plugins feature in your ChatGPT account. And to be able to do that, you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. If you don't know how to enable the plugins feature in your account, I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out. But once you have enabled the plugins feature, all you have to do is click on New Chat on the left here. Then by default GPT 3.5 is selected. You have to select GPT-4, then select plugins from the model dropdown. Then we have to install the AI PDF plugin. So as you can see, it's installed for me. If it's not for you, you have to scroll down in this installed plugin list, click on plugin store and search for AI PDF and then install the plugin. And last but not least, if you want to interact with this plugin, you also have to enable the plugin, and you can enable any plugin by checking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. So now the AI PDF plugin is installed and enabled. So now we can start using it. And the prompt I'm gonna use is the following: search for the author's conclusion in this paper. And I'm gonna use the Bitcoin white paper. So if you're not familiar, this is the Bitcoin white paper. It's a technical paper on how Bitcoin and the blockchain works. So as you can see, it's 9 pages long, and there are also some formulas and some more advanced concepts. And all you have to do is to get the URL of any PDF you want to analyze with the AI PDF ChatGPT plugin. So if you want to use a PDF that is on your local computer, first you have to upload that PDF to a public website where you can get the URL of that PDF document. And then all you have to do is paste that URL and then add the prompt or the instructions you want the AI PDF plugin to do with that PDF document. So then all we have to do is click on send message here. And as you can see, we don't have to use any kind of function or anything else. ChatGPT is clever enough to know that if the plugin is enabled and we want to analyze a PDF document, it has to use the AI PDF ChatGPT plugin. And as you can see, this is what it has done. It has requested the URL of the PDF document, added the query conclusion, and it basically scraped the complete PDF document. And based on that, ChatGPT gave us the conclusion based on that paper, which can be found on page 8. So this is one of the benefits of this PDF ChatGPT plugin, is that it can give you references based on page numbers, and it has basically copy-pasted the conclusion of this paper, and ChatGPT also summarizes the main points of that conclusion. So all in all, this is how to use the AI PDF ChatGPT plugin to upload PDF documents to ChatGPT, summarize those PDF documents, ask questions about that PDF documents. And as I mentioned, there are more use cases. If you want to learn more about this plugin, as I mentioned, you can check out the article tutorial in the description below. And if you want to learn more about other PDF ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel on those as well. So there are multiple PDF ChatGPT plugins that you can check out. And there are also some workarounds if you do not have access to ChatGPT plugins yet. You can use third-party applications to also upload PDF documents to a ChatGPT-like software, or you can also use Google Bard for PDF documents as well if you don't like ChatGPT that much. So all in all, this is how to use the AI PDF ChatGPT plugin. And if you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.